Okay, moving on to the next problem. Welcome back. Part 3. Alright, so here we go. For your response to number 1, I'm going to start this problem. I'm going to draw my ice chart. C6H5NH2 aqueous plus H2O liquid, double-sided arrows, C6H5NH3 plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous, ICE. Don't count water, KB equals OH minus. If you guys do this every time, I've said that I'm like a broken record, but you're going to answer so many of the questions without realizing it. Okay, now can I add any information in? Let me read the question here. Aniline, a weak base, reacts with water according to the reaction above. Okay, here we go. Write the equilibrium constant expression. We did that. There it is. A sample of aniline is dissolved in water to produce 25 milliliters of a 0.1 molar solution. This is just the size of the container. Don't worry about that. That is the concentration of the solution. Remember, if it's not Kp, Kp needs to be in atmospheres, but if it's not Kp, K, anything else, it needs to be in moles per liters or molarity. That's what goes in the ice chart. There it is. That makes this X, that makes this X, that makes this minus X, that makes this X, plus X, 0.10 minus X, 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 and we can assume this is negligible. So Kb equals X squared over 0.10. All right, I'm ready to go. A sample, now again, I'm going to have to find X. They're going to give me either the pH or they're going to give me Kb directly, and I can plug it in. So a sample of aniline dissolved in water, the pH is 8.82. So that means that 8.82 equals the negative log of H plus. So 10 to the minus 8.82 equals H plus. Sweet. Do I have H plus? No, I don't, but I have OH minus, so I got to backtrack. I got to get the POH now, which is 14 minus 8.82, which should be equal to 5.18. So 10 to the minus 5.18 equals the OH minus concentration. So, boom, I got it. 10 to the minus 5.18, which makes this 10 to the minus 5.18. I got all the information I need. So they want Kb. Plug it in, baby. 10 to the minus 5.18 squared over 0.10. That gives me Kb. Calculate the stupid value of delta G, which I'm sick and tired of doing, but I'll do it anyway. C. So this, by the way, is the answer to B. C. Delta G equals negative RT ln of Kb equals negative 8.31 T. It's at STP, so 273 Kelvin. Ln of Kb, I'm going to plug that in there. Delta G is going to be greater than 0, and this is going to be non-spontaneous. Moving on to the next problem. Here we go. Problem 5. Before I do problem 5, there should be a plus H plus here. I do apologize about that. Alright, I'm going to do my ice chart. HC3H5O2 aqueous goes to C3H5O2 aqueous plus H plus aqueous ICE. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Ka equals H plus multiplied by C3H5O2 minus all over H C3H5O2. Right, let's do the problem. Propanoic acid, this ionizes in water according to the above, right? The equilibrium expression. I did that because I'm trained to do ice every time. Calculate the pH of a 0.265 molar solution of propanoic acid. Well, if pH equals negative log of H plus, I need the H plus, so I need this at equilibrium. 0.265 molar is what's going to go here. This is going to be 0, and that's going to be 0. This is going to be minus x, that's going to be x, that's going to be x. 0.265 minus x, we don't got to worry about x, x, and x. And there's my money x. There's the one that's going to make me happy because I'm going to take the negative log of that in order to get the pH. So they must have given me some information in order to do this. Let's go up and see. I bet they gave me the Ka. They did. There it is. So 1.34 times 10 to the minus fifth is equal to x squared over 0.265. So x is going to be equal to the square root of 0.265 multiplied by 1.34 times 10 to the negative fifth. And the pH is going to be equal to the negative log of the square root of 265 multiplied by 1.34 times 10 to the minus fifth. Alright, so that is your answer to B. C, please calculate delta G. Here we go again. Delta G is equal to negative RT ln of K. Guys, I'm doing this over and over again because I want to hammer in this concept in your head because they're going to ask about it a lot. Hold on, what's the temperature? STP, standard temperature and pressure, so it's 273 Kelvin. And natural log of K, which they gave you. There it is. So we're going to take that, 1.34 times 10 to the negative fifth, 0.34 times 10 to the negative fifth. We're going to answer, again, the answer should be in kilojoules per mole. It might be in joules per mole. If it's in joules per mole, just divide it by 1,000. It should be positive, so delta G should be greater than 0. It should be non-spontaneous. Alright guys, I'm going to stop there and move on to the next one. Take care.